Welcome back to Product Critique, where we help you discover the smartest baby essentials out there. Today we're bringing you what we're calling the best newborn head-shaping pillow, the TinyTotsJoy Memory Foam Baby Pillow. Whether you're a new parent or shopping for a baby shower, this is one product that checks all the right boxes. Let's get into it. When you first look at this pillow, it immediately stands out for its adorable cartoon bear shape and soft pastel color options, pink, blue, and green. But this pillow isn't just about cuteness. It's built on thoughtful pediatric-approved ergonomics. At the heart of its design is a contoured center, a slight dip that helps cradle your baby's head gently while evenly distributing pressure. This matters a lot because it supports healthy skull development, helping reduce the risk of flat head syndrome, especially during those early weeks and months. Safety is another major highlight. The pillow is CPSC compliant and features a 5D breathable mesh cover. That means it's been tested for safety and is made with airflow in mind. The breathable material helps keep your baby cool and comfortable, reducing the risk of overheating, something every parent worries about. The non-tilt design also keeps the baby's head level and aligned, matching up with the American Academy of Pediatrics Safe Sleep Guidelines. When your baby is on their tummy, this pillow helps support the neck and strengthen muscles, an essential part of early development. And the size makes it incredibly versatile. At just 9.8 by 8.6 inches and a thickness of 1.2 inches, it's easy to tuck into car seats, strollers, or travel bags. Whether you're at home or on the go, this pillow fits right in. Now let's talk care. Memory foam can be tricky when it comes to cleaning, but TinyTotsJoy has a clever solution. You don't wash the memory foam core directly. Instead, you place a small towel over the pillow for daily use. That towel can be easily washed. If needed, you can wipe down the core with a damp paper towel and let it air dry in a ventilated area. Just don't toss it into the wash or expose it to sunlight. That's a big no-no. But honestly, the whole routine is low maintenance once you get the hang of it. In terms of build and materials, the pillow is soft, cozy, and ultra-gentle on your baby's skin. Parents will appreciate that it looks great in any nursery setting while serving a highly functional role. And because it's so lightweight and portable, it becomes a go-to item for every outing. Now, one thing to note. If you're ordering from outside the US, like India for instance, Amazon may not ship this product to your location. But you can look into similar listings or use third-party shipping services if you really want to get your hands on this exact model. To sum it up, the TinyTotsJoy Memory Foam Baby Pillow offers a well-balanced combination of ergonomic support, safety, ease of use, and adorable design. It's not just another baby pillow. It's one that grows with your baby, from newborn stage up to 12 months. And that's why we're calling it the best newborn head-shaping pillow. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our next critique. This is Product Critique. Thanks for watching.